Hi, just a short video to show this Dyson V6 Annual Extra cordless vacuum cleaner. It's in full working order. This is serial number TK5-UK-JJA4185A. So it comes with everything you can see. It comes with a brand new combination and quiver tool, an official wall mount, no screws though, an official charger. The main brush head, I've taken this fully apart and cleaned it fully. As you can see, it's fully cleaned. The wand, which has small marks on it, scratches from a used item, and then the main unit. The top filter has been fully cleaned, the head's been fully cleaned, and the bin's been fully cleaned. This comes with a brand new 8000 mAh replacement battery. I purchased this last week for this listing. It's in full working order. There is two modes. This is economy mode. Press the button on the back. The light goes blue. That's boost mode. But on boost mode, it dramatically reduces the life of the battery until you charge it again. To open it, simply place over a bin, bag, whatever you want, and then pull down on this. The bottom opens and you tip all the rubbish out as such, and then just push it back up to close it. I'll show it working quickly. I do have many other Dysons in stock. Let's take a look. It will be well packed. Any questions at all, please ask. Thanks for watching.